Good day, family. It is Satisfied Soul Sunday, and I wanted to bring to you a good word for today. I'll be coming from Ephesians chapter 4, verses 1 to 3. In light of all this, here's what I want you to do. While I'm locked up here, a prisoner for the Master, I want you to get out there and walk. Better yet, run on the road God called you to travel. I don't want any of you sitting around on your hands. I don't want anyone strolling off down some path that goes nowhere. And mark that you do this with humility and discipline. Not in fits and starts, but steadily, pouring yourselves out for each other in acts of love, alerting at noticing differences and quick at mending fences. So I wanted to talk about how God wants us to stay on task, or as some would say, stay on business. This was Paul, and he was in jail, but yet he was still imparting wisdom to his people, to God's people. And we need to really think about what God called us to do. Each of us has our own calling, our own talents and gifts that was given to us. And we can tend to get distracted, present company included. There's going to be many distractions in life, on the road of life. Some you may deem positive, and some may be negative. What I have tasked myself is to write down regularly what God has called me to do, and to make sure during the course of each day I'm working on that. It's not easy because life is life, and people don't always know or understand your calling. And it's okay, and you don't have to shove it down their throat, but you have to be humble, and you have to be disciplined. And you have to be consistent and do it in love, because it's one thing for somebody to tell you what they want you to do versus what you're doing, and you come back at them in a combative way. And it's another thing for you to remind them what your focus, your challenge that God gave you, your road of faith is. And we have to try to work together. It's okay for us to be different. We all are. We're made differently, like a snowflake. But it's important for us to remember that we are God's children. We're part of the same family, no matter what color we are, no matter where we came from, what religion, belief system that we have. While we all look different, like a rainbow, we all are part of God's family. So this message is short and sweet. Stay on task, stay on business for God, for He has brought us everything that we have and everything that we need, and He is blessing us, and He wants us to represent for Him out in the world, whether we be representing at work, representing with our friends, or in our worship places, wherever. We should be the example of Christ, an ambassador for Christ, and we should do it in patience, humility, and love. I wish you the best week, and I pray that this message touches you in a special way. And if you have any prayer requests, please don't hesitate to ask. God bless you and have a good week.